Hello little friends! Today we are going to make a beautiful Eid-ul-Fitr greeting card for someone we love. Eid is a special time when families celebrate together, share food and say Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak means Blessed Eid. Let's make a card to wish our family a happy Eid. For this card, you will need colored construction paper or cardstock, a pair of safety scissors. Ask an adult to help you use the scissors, a glue stick, crayons or markers, gold or silver stickers, a pencil, and small decorations such as glitter. Step 1. Fold your card. First, take your colored paper, fold it in half like this. Now you have a card that opens and closes. Great job! Step 2. Draw a crescent moon. Now take your pencil or crayon. Draw a crescent moon on the front of your card. The crescent moon is very special during Eid because it helps mark the end of Ramadan. If you like, you can also draw little stars around the crescent moon. Step 3. Decorate your card. Now it's time to decorate. Use your markers, crayons, or stickers. You can add stars, sparkles, colorful patterns, or even glitter. Make your card bright and beautiful. Remember, every card can look different, and that's okay. Step 4. Write your message. Open your card. Inside, write a special message. You can write Eid Mubarak. You can also add their family wishing you a happy Eid filled with love. If you are still learning to write, ask a grown-up to help you. Step 5. Add a final touch. Now, add one more drawing or decoration inside your card. Maybe a star, a heart, a lantern, or a happy family. Close your card. Look how wonderful it is. Now your Eid-ul-Fitr greeting card is ready. Give it to someone you love, your parents, grandparents, or siblings. And don't forget to say Eid Mubarak. Happy Eid, everyone. Did you enjoy making this card, my little explorer? You did such a great job. Wasn't that fun? See you next time when we embark on another creative and educational adventure together. Be sure to subscribe for more fun activities. Bye bye.